today, putting Nigel Farage and the Reform Party comfortably in first place on 33% of the national vote. That's the highest share of the vote for Nigel Farage in British political history, putting Reform 13 points ahead of the incumbent Labour Party on 20% and well ahead of the Tory Party under Kemi Badenoch on 16% of the vote. So what we're witnessing, as reflected in those local election results last week, as reflected in other national opinion polls, is the emergence of Nigel Farage and the Reform Party as the dominant political party in our two-party system. They are replacing the Conservatives as the second party in our party system. This is the most significant change since the emergence of the Labour Party in the early years of the 20th century, and we are seeing the ongoing decline, if not death, of the Conservative Party, one of the most successful political parties in the history of democracy. And Nigel Farage is doing this by reaching into a very large number of Conservative Party voters, people who've been voting Conservative for a long time. He's taking about 1 in 3 people who voted Conservative last year. He's also taking more than half of all Brexit voters, and he's doing increasingly well recently among women, a story that you won't hear often in the national newspapers. And what are they concerned about more than anything? Mass, uncontrolled immigration and our broken borders. It is the number one reason by far why people are voting for Nigel Farage and the Reform Party. So it is those unresolved concerns over how immigration is changing Britain, how immigration is changing England, that is why millions of people are now rejecting the established political parties in British politics. As always, we're ahead of the curve. Come and join us at mattgoodwin.org. We've been tracking this political revolution for some time. Our 80,000 readers are not surprised by this opinion polling. They know exactly what's going on. See you there. Bye-bye.